Morning, morning. How are you this morning, students? How are you this morning, students? Are you okay? Are you okay? And now let's study with this book. English from Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Republik Indonesia in 2014. Okay? Like this. For senior high school and vocational high school for the first semester. Okay? Let's study on page 13. Let's practice. Choose the best option for each sentence given below. Hi city, blank, 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 go start gazing tonight. Which one is the right answer? A, B, C, or D? There is the verb go. Go is the, what kind of verb is it? Go, the verb go is the first verb or infinitive. So, how about the answer is A? Can we use to be are with go? No, I think. And B? Is it right? How about go? How about go? Hi city, how about go start gazing tonight? I think it's not good. Is it wrong? It's wrong. Yeah. Pay attention to the answer or the option. The option is for A, are you? B, how about? C, seldom. D, would you like to? The option is about verb actually. And the sentence, there is verb go. Can we fill in the blank with C? Seldom go. I city seldom go start gazing. No. How about D? Would you like to? City, would you like to go start gazing tonight? City, would you like to go start gazing tonight? The answer, the right answer is D. Would you like to? There is 2. 2 plus verb 1 or verb infinitive. Yeah. The right rule, if we have the verb like and plus 2 plus verb 1 or infinitive. Would you like to? Would you like menawarkan ya, mengajak yang halus sopan. Ya. Walaupun di sini pakai modal verb would, itu untuk ungkapan yang sopan. Ya. The right answer is D. Hi city, would you like to go start gazing tonight? Okay. And now number 2, dialogue between Sam and Carly. Would you like to go watch a movie this weekend? The sentence of Sam, I think it's wrong. Which one is wrong? Watching, yeah. Watch, right? The right sentence use watching. Would you like to go watching a movie this weekend? Why we use the verb watching? Watching is not the verb. It's gerund. What is gerund? Gerund is kata kerja yang dibendakan, kata kerja yang dijadikan benda. Would you like to go watching a movie this weekend? Sam mengajak nih, Kali, maukah pergi nonton movie bioskop this weekend, akhir malam minggu ini? And the right, and Carly answer, I can't. I'm low on cash right now. What do you mean by low on cash right now? I can't. I'm low on cash right now. What do you mean by I'm low on cash right now? Low on cash means memiliki uang minim, ya, memiliki uang sedikit. I can, ya, berarti Kali tidak mau diajak nonton bioskop. I can. Mengapa? I'm low on cash right now. Tidak punya uang juga boleh, atau uangnya sedikit boleh. And blank 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 stay at home and watch television instead. Tinggal di rumah dan nonton TV malahan. Ya. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is how about or what about? The right answer is what about, ya, what about, bagaimana kalau, tapi bahasa Indonesianya bagaimana kalau, what about, how about, no. This is the multiple choice here for number 2, use deep structure. Do you know deep structure? What do you mean by deep structure? Dalam batin, ya, arti dalam batin. Not how about, but what about stay at home and watch television instead? Okay, the right answer is C. Number 3, what shall we do today? What shall we do today? What shall we do today? Apa yang kita lakukan hari ini? We go to the library. We go to the library. Kita pergi ke perpustakaan. Which one the right answer? Can we choose A? Shall I? Shall I? We go to? No. Shall I? There is I, there is we. It's not the right answer. How about it's not the right answer too, because comma S from us, and this is the sentence, there is we. Okay. And how about number C, the choice C? Why don't we go to the library? Why don't we go to the library? Apa yang akan kita lakukan hari ini? Why don't we go to the library? Why don't we go to library? Seharusnya menggunakan tanda tanya enggak di sini akhirnya, di akhir kalimat. Why don't we go to the library? Why don't we go to the library? How about the answer of C? Would you? Would you we go? No, you. There is you and go. Right answer is C. But you can add the question mark here. Ya, why don't we go to the library? Tanda tanya. Ya kan? Mengapa kita tidak pergi ke perpustakaan? Tanda tanya. Ya, sebagai anak murid harus baca, banyak baca. Why don't we go to the library? Okay, for number 3, the answer is C. Why don't we go to the library? Now let's continue to number 4. blank blank like a cup of coffee. Like a cup of coffee. There is question mark here. You can choose the right modal verb. Use can, will, would, or should. Okay, we try to choose A for the first time. Can I like a cup of coffee? No, I think. How about B? I'll do like a cup of coffee. No. Would you like a cup of coffee? How about D? Should I like? No. The right answer is C. Why? Nah, menawarkan ya, ini kan ada tanda tanya, tujuannya menawarkan ya dengan cara sopan, pakai modal verb would past tense. Would you like a cup of coffee? Maukah secangkir kopi? Ya. For number 4, the right answer is C. Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? Okay. How about number 5? Okay, number 5, blank blank, the washing if you like. Which one is the right answer? How about A? Can I the washing? Can I the washing if you like? How about B? Would you the washing? I'll do the washing if you like. Can we use the answer D? Let's the washing. Let's plus verb 1. The rule of let's plus verb 1. And this is the washing. Noun. The right answer is don't forget that the sentence should be in SPOK. Subject, predicate, and object, keterangan. Adverbial of time, adverbial of place. Adverbial of place or adverbial of time. Yeah. The right answer for number 5 is C. I'll do. I,LL berasal dari I will. I'll do the washing if you like. Ya, saya akan mengerjakan cucian jika kamu mau. Okay. And now let's continue to number 6. Dialogue, Edo and Sam. I have a lot of work to finish. I don't know how I will manage. I have a lot of working to finish, I think, yeah. The right answer, I think, I have a lot of working. There is preposition of, so we should add gerund, working. I have a lot of working to finish. I don't know how I will manage. And Sam, say which one? Blank, half of it if you want. Would you half of it? Can we answer with B, with A? Can we answer with A? Would you help? No. And there is no fork. How about B? I think half of it if you want. I think half of it if you want. Why don't help? The right answer, how about the right answer is D. I will help you with half of it if you want. I will help you with half of it if you want. I think the right answer is D. I will help you with half of it if you want. Saya akan membantumu dengan separuh dari tugas tadi jika kamu ingin. Kan di sini dikatakan sama Edo, I have a lot of working to finish. Saya memiliki banyak pekerjaan yang diselesaikan. I don't know how I will manage. Saya tidak tahu bagaimana mengolahnya, menyelesaikannya. Kata Sam, nih tadi jawaban yang betul kan di I will help you with half of it if you want. Saya akan membantumu dengan separuhnya jika kamu ingin. Okay? The right answer for number 6 is D. And now let's continue to number 7. Kali and Edo. Dialogue between Kali and Edo. I submitted my essay to the teacher a few days ago, but I haven't received any response from her. I submitted my essay to the teacher a few days ago, but I haven't received any response from her. What's the meaning of submitted? What's the meaning of submitted? Submitted is Submitted is Submitted is submit. Submit is from the word submit. Mengirimkan. Jadi ya di sini past tense ya. Submitted ada ed past tense. Cirinya lagi di sini ada a few days ago, beberapa hari yang lalu. Sudah lampau ya. Jadi kalau ada keterangan waktu yang lampau seperti di sini few days ago, beberapa hari yang lalu, berarti kata kerjanya harus menggunakan past tense, simple past tense, yaitu kata kerja bentuk kedua. Contohnya di sini, I submitted my essay to the teacher. Essay or essay ya. I submitted my essay to the teacher few days ago. Saya mengirimkan ya essay ya, jawaban essay kepada guru beberapa hari yang lalu, but I haven't received any response from her. Tetapi saya belum menerima jawaban dari guru tadi. Ya, what does the word from her? What does the word her refers to? What does the word her refers to? The word her refers to the teacher. The teacher is a girl or a woman. Okay? And there is two sentences with the conjunction. What kind of conjunction? There is here. Conjunction is but here. Okay. Ada dua kalimat dihubungkan dengan kata penghubung but. Okay, and now the Edo say, go and ask her. There is question mark, and we should choose question. Ya, bentuk question, yaitu boleh interrogative, boleh question word. Kalau modal kata kerja modal terlebih dahulu atau kata bantu dulu berarti interrogatif. Kalau pakai kata tanya berarti question word gitu kan. The right answer is shall ask. Bisa nggak? Yang A. Shall ask? Go? No. I'll do? Go? No. Why don't you? How about D? I propose? Go and ask her? No. The right answer is C. Why don't you go and ask her? Mengapa kamu tidak pergi dan menanyakannya? Ya, berarti ini question word. Kalimat tanya yang menggunakan kata tanya. Why don't you go and ask her? Mengapa kamu tidak? Mengapa Anda boleh ya? Mengapa Anda tidak pergi dan menanyakannya? I submitted my AC to the teacher few days ago, but I haven't received any response from her. Why don't you go and ask her? Okay, the right answer for number 7 is C. Okay, yeah. We study now number 8. Blank blank get you a drink. Is it interrogative or question word? Is it question word or interrogative? How about we choose A for number 8A? Would you get you a drink? Would you get you? Why don't you get you a drink? Can I get you a drink? I'll do a get. The right answer is try to memorize the kind of sentence, the kind of modal verb, the kind of tenses. It's important to study English, you know. Yeah. The right answer for number 8 is C. Can I get you a drink? Yeah. Can I get you a drink? Ini kalau dibahasakan di bahasa Indonesia kan agak sulit ya. Tapi kalau kita langsung berpikiran ke bahasa Inggris sudah tepat. Can I get you a drink? Ya. Aku ambilkan minum ya, gitu. Ya bahasanya. Can I get you a drink? Aku ambilkan minum ya. Gitu. Nah, kadang-kadang bahasa Inggris memang tidak bisa diterjemahkan ke bahasa Indonesia pas. Plek, kata orang Jawa, plek. Ya, tidak bisa seperti ini. Can I get you a drink? Ya. And now number 9, dialogue between Aisyah and Ani. I'm so thirsty. Aisyah says, I'm so thirsty. Saya begitu haus. How about Annie? Blank get you something to drink. Get you something to drink. How about get you something to drink? What about get you something to drink? Why don't get you something to drink? Can I get you something to drink? Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer? The right answer is D. Can I get you something to drink? Still the same with number 9 and number 8. Yeah. Can I get you something to drink? Yeah. Aku akan ambilkan sesuatu untuk diminum. Gitu. Can I get you something to drink? Modal verb can plus verb 1 get, subjeknya I. Kalau biasanya menggunakan how about, what about diikuti oleh gerund. Ya, gerund itu tadi kata kerja yang dibendakan, bentuknya verb berakhiran dengan ing. Mengapa dibentuk gerund? Karena ada ini preposisi kan about. Jadi gerund itu memang ada di SMA, kalau di SMP tidak ada. Ya, jadi kalau gerund itu ada preposition plus gerund. Nah, kata kerja bisa dijadikan subjek, tapi fungsinya bukan sebagai subjek lagi, melainkan sebagai gerund tadi, kata benda. Ya boleh dijadikan subjek. Ya. Sleeping is nice for me right now, like that. Sleeping, gerund from the verb sleep. Sleeping is nice for me, for right now. ya kan? Because I am tired and sleepy. Ngantuk, lelah dan ngantuk, ya. Do you understand what I'm saying? Gerund. Study again at home about gerund, you know. Okay, and now the last number for number 10. Blank blank like me to clean your car. There is question mark. The right answer use interrogative or question word. The right answer is interrogative or question word. Blank blank like me. Blank blank like me to clean your car. How about like me? No. Let's like me? No. Would you like me to clean your car? Nah. I think like me? No. I think it's for positive sentence. Would you like me to clean your car? Ya, menawarkan dan meminta izin secara halus mau membersihkan mobil. Ya. Would you like me to clean your car? Ya, membersihkan mobil kamu. Aku yang bersihin gitu ya. Would you, sama modal verb would. Untuk halus tadi kan untuk mempersoalkan ucapan, plus verb 1 like. Karena bertanya maka you. Ya, would you like me to clean your car? Okay? See you.